Hi there, Chris here, and Suk. I have this ZETA lock. I'll show you the package in a minute. It's actually a wafer lock. It's a very strange lock, but I'll tell you, the finish on this is wonderful. It feels great, no rough edges, and when you pick it or use the key, it pops out. It's very cool. You shove it back in and it goes back in. So this is the ZU55 ZETA 55mm straight shackle padlock. They're made in Taiwan. 8mm hardened steel shackle, 6-pin rekeyable cylinder. Good luck with that. High corrosion protection, push down shackle locking mechanism, latching mechanism, non-key retaining. Now, is that true? I didn't think that was. Oh yeah. Well, yeah, because it relaxes once it's out, and you can take the key out. And it is guttable. I'm not sure I'm going to gut it. We'll see. I may not gut it in this video. We'll see how long it takes me to pick it. So here's the bitting on the key. And they give you a bunch of keys. They're all the same. So let's see if I can pick this. I'm going to use this tension wrench out of the Sparrows. I'm going to put it on the right-hand side. And I'm going to use the Sparrows like dimple pick flag. These are like pretty flimsy. And this is the one. I can get some focus here. There we go. And when you start off, hopefully I can stay in frame. When you start off, all the pins are really essentially on the deck down here. Well, now it's making a liar out of me. Make sure they're all on. Yeah, okay. We're very close to the deck, and the first thing that I find I have to do is to get them off the deck so that I can start actually picking them. And what you're doing with these, when you're picking, you're kind of picking in between slots that are in this core to get the pin. So you have to be in the slot, get it off the deck, and then sort of bounce them into place. So here we go. And I start out with really light tension. I'm going to do this one more time because they don't seem to be sitting on the deck. Well, yeah, now you can just barely see that first one. It's sitting down there, and the rest of them tend to sit there. Oh, you know what? My wrench is lifting them up. That's all right. I'll take it. I have used this wrench. I've used another style wrench as well. Yeah, this doesn't feel right. I'm not gonna, that feels like cheating. I don't want to cheat. Well, we'll go with Mad Bob's. Let's see if we do that. So I'm going to hold it a little bit, be holding it a little bit differently. I'm going to start this one over probably. There we go. Stick that in there. 5 minutes, I haven't done anything but try and get in there. Yeah, now, when the wrench isn't influencing the pins, touching them, then they are sitting on the deck. So you have to use light tension to start just slightly moving them off that deck, picking in between the little gaps to get at your pins. Little counter there. Oop, I'll set that one. Somebody's on the deck in the back. Okay, I think I'm under it. Coming back forward. There's very, very subtle feedback. Did I say this was the wafer lock? That's not true. That's that other Zorko or whatever that other one was about 6, 7 videos ago. I think this was called a slider lock. I know it has a sidebar. It doesn't have, the key pins are the pins that have to be maneuvered up to the right position so the sidebar will retract and you get it open on the core. So I'm not sure who we're hung up on. And you can overset too. Heard some drops. Might have been a good thing, it might have been a bad thing. I think 6. Is not wanting to go up. And I'm duking it out in the back here. 5 and 6. think we're on 3. There we go. So when you turn it, the whole thing comes out. So this is a pretty cool, slick lock. I really like these. I'm not going to gut it this time because it's a little ticklish getting this out, getting the core out, and getting the pin cover off. But I will gut it in an upcoming video. Anyway, that was the ZETA ZU55. Anyway, thanks for watching. Suki approves of this lock. Oh, Suk, sorry. And leave a comment, hit the like. Thanks to all my new subscribers and old subscribers and people passing by. And we will see you next time.